these are the most unique plugins that you need to integrate your DAW. So Cashmere Chain allows using the same plugins across different tracks without having to deal with different instances. So it's some sort of a return track that you can place in every kind of spot of your signal chain. FabFilter Pro L2 is one of the best limiters out there, and it's kind of certainly going to outclass your stock DAW. So Subcut, it's quite unique. It follows the pitch of your sound and it's applying low pass or a high pass to your sound. And that allows to isolate or either cut the fundamental of whatever sound you're using. And this is great on bass sounds. Then we have the maximizer from the Isotope Zone bundle. And this is one of the greatest limiters and maximizers out on the market, and I always pair it with the FabFilter Pro L. And Freeform Phase allows rotating whatever frequency of our sounds by whatever degree, and this is great for phase correlation. So Suthu by OX Sound is basically magic because it's a dynamic frequency suppressor and it just makes things sound good. You don't have to overdo it, but it's going to solve so many problems and it's definitely worth the price. Dynamic Grading by Playfair Audio is a dynamic processor, but it doesn't have anything to do with a compressor or expander. It's something like a compender, and it allows kind of expanding or compressing whatever kind of range of the dynamic range without having to deal with threshold. So Spice Rack by Process Audio is a saturator, but what really makes it special is the console feature. So we have this kind of panel where we can control all the instances linked to a specific channel. Like we have 8 channels, and if we have all our saturators linked to the channel 1, we can open whatever instance on the drums, on the guitar, on the vocal, and from there we can control all the instances all together or independently, and we don't have to navigate the project too much. Smart Comp 2 by Sonyball is great. They have that AI feature that kind of listens to your sound and creates some sort of optimized presets for you, but that's not the big deal. The big deal is spectral compression, which is an infinite series of bands, and each one is being compressed individually, and it kind of sounds like multi-band compression, but also like EQ. It's sort of a transparent blend of the two things, and it sounds great. Sound Theory Gulfos EQ is some other magic sauce, and I use it on vocals, on super sauce, and also on groups in general, and it kind of detects what really matters in the sound and it improves it. I know it sounds like a bit of a scam, but it's really great. There isn't anything like this on the market right now. Banks is great because it's a multi-band transient shrimper and also a multi-band clipper. So I always use it on kick drums, drum bass, and it's really great because you don't have to deal with distorting low end anymore when you have to bring the punch and also the overall loudness up. Track Spacer from Waste Factory is just great. It's a sidechain EQ and it kind of reads the input signal and applies like a mirrored EQ curve in real time to the sound that you're sidechaining. So if you want to carve some space for the vocals by kind of decking your instrument bus, this is the perfect tool to achieve a transparent result. Hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next one.